Okay, YouTube. This is the Thompson M1A1. I bought it from budk.com. You can also get knives, swords, machetes, throwing knives, military equipment, boots, shit like that. But for $115, including shipping and handling, I got me a Thompson. The sights are pretty accurate. Alright, but the statistics of the gun. I got the box right here real quick. Okay. This is what the box should look like. 328 FPS. The length of the gun is 32.38 inches. And it weighs 3.04 pounds. Repowered electric, you know. It comes with a high cap mag. This high cap mag is amazing. It holds 1,000 BBs, and you spin this around to pressurize the inside so that the BBs go on top, and then you just load all the BBs right in there, and then just close it back up. It is a high cap mag. I don't like the fact that it shakes like that. But back to the Thompson. The Thompson is not ambidextrous, alright? There's nothing on the right side of the gun. You can't take out the mag like that or anything like this. None of this stuff works right here. Oh, except for this cocking handle. This, I don't know if it does anything. I haven't shot this yet because I stayed home from school today so I can get this. But I don't know if it actually pulls back when you shoot, but it's just, you know, I guess for right now it's just there. Everything is on the left side of the gun. This weird thing right here, this is the mag release. You gotta pull it up, and then the mag will come out. This first button right here is rapid fire or single shot. Right now it's on single. Rapid fire, you know, rape. And then the other one right here is for safety and firing mode. And right now it's on firing. Yeah. Push it over here. Safety. Keep it on safe. What was that? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, sights. The rear sight is adjustable. You can move it down a little bit, right or left, and then move it back up. You know, put it right back in the middle the way I had it. It's adjustable. I keep it up on the top for close range, and if I have to ever shoot at somebody from far range, I would push it down. You know. I forgot what it was called. Shit. Right here. This little turning wheel right here. That is for the back system. Fuck. Well, it's in here too. You can see the rotating wheel in the gun. That's it right there, that rotating wheel. That's for there we go. That's for the hop up. It does come with 2 metal slings. This wood is fake. It's all metal. The insides are metal, and I think the outside is plastic. I'm pretty sure of that. Now, alright, the mag is pretty. It's a pretty tight fit. So when you put it in a gun, you know, you gotta line it up. It's in. Now to take it out, hold it up, push the thing up, and just take it out. Just like that. This gun is like one of my favorite guns from World at War. I love this gun. This and the PPSH. I would have a PPSH right now, except that gun costs about 400. The Ares PPSH. I don't want any other PPSH. I just want the Ares because that gun is, oh my god, that gun is sexy. Well, that's all. Oh yeah, on the side it says, you know, the words. It says Thompson submachine gun. Caliber .45 M1A1 number, and I said, yeah, it says the number. And on the other side it says Auto Ordnance Corporation, Worcester, Massachusetts, USA, and then it says made in China. Well, right now I got my battery charging. It's right over there in that little stool right there, if you can see it. I still have 3 hours and 42 minutes to go. It's my iPod watch. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, that's all I have to talk about. My Thompson. Oh, yeah. I have some guns for sale. They're all 45. I got my P90 for sale. $45. Take off this gun sling. I had it wrapped around, you know what I'm saying? Well, the P90, it comes with a silencer. It's probably on my bed, but I'm not gonna go up there, so I don't have to leave you guys just hanging, just watching my room. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to shoot it. It's automatic. It uses a battery. Battery goes right in there. Close it. Push that up. The mag holds about 400 BBs. It's probably around somewhat fully loaded right now. It does. I will throw in a flashlight for free. Oh, the cool thing about the mag, if you don't want to take it off to reload it, you just push this back and then put your BBs right in there, and then just close it. Oh yeah, the P90. I'm also selling my I don't know where it's at right now, but I'm trying to my G36C. Oh, here it is. G36C, the stock comes off. Its spring holds 20 BBs. You got my black BBs in there. 21 if you want to fit the last one in. This gun is ambidextrous. The cocking handle goes on both sides. The clip, if you buy another one, it can clip onto each other, so you have 2 mags. The sights are very accurate. I'll tell you that right now. The sights are completely accurate. This gun is really, this is my first gun I ever had. It's $40. This is strong. About 350 FPS. That's how much I remember it saying. 350. It came with a long barrel attachment, but my brother broke it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the safety, ambidextrous too. Now it's on fire. Safety, fire, safety. Everything works on this gun. Cock it back, and then you shoot. What else is I selling? Oh, I am selling a shotgun too. Alright, never mind the shotgun. The handle's broken. Yeah, never mind. If you want to buy it for parts, I'll sell it for $10. That's if you really want it. This shotgun is it was pretty cool. Yeah. It was. Oh, the mag doesn't come out though. You have to push that back and then put the BBs in there. Speaking of BBs, there's one stuck in there. Alright, whatever. Yeah, YouTube. That was it. Kinda. Subscribe, comment, rate. Comment if you want to buy one of these guns. I'm not selling the Thompson, because that's my that's a sexy ass gun. Next, I'm trying to get the Ares PPSH, so it's gonna take me a while to get the money. But since I am a working man, well, not yet. I had a summer job, and that's why I have all these guns. But yes, that is it. Thank you, YouTube. Thanks for watching. My PSN will be on the bottom because I play PS3. I have every Call of Duty, World at War, Modern Warfare, Black Ops, Modern Warfare 2, and in a few days, Modern Warfare 3. Tell me how excited you guys are for Modern Warfare 3. Put that in the comments below. Alright, YouTube, I'm out.